Click on the link below to get price. The dehumidifier, designed for areas up to 6,000 square feet, is a robust solution for combating excess humidity in large spaces. With a large capacity compressor, this unit is not only efficient but also user-friendly, making it an essential appliance for homes, basements, and commercial environments. One of the standout features is its impressive moisture removal capability. It effectively extracts up to 70 pints of water per day, which is ideal for damp climates or spaces prone to mold and mildew. The humidity control is precise, thanks to a built-in hygrometer, allowing users to set their desired humidity levels. This feature ensures that the environment remains comfortable and helps protect furniture and electronics from moisture damage. The design of the dehumidifier is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It comes with wheels for easy mobility, allowing users to move it effortlessly from room to room. The user interface is straightforward, with an LCD display that shows the current humidity level and tank status. The water tank itself is easily removable and has a generous capacity, reducing the frequency of emptying. For those who prefer continuous drainage, the unit can be connected to a standard hose, which is an added convenience. Noise levels are another critical aspect of any dehumidifier, and this model operates at a surprisingly low volume. You can comfortably run it in living areas or bedrooms without being disturbed. However, it may produce a slight humming sound during operation, which is typical for units of this size. Overall, the 6,000 square foot dehumidifier strikes a balance between performance and ease of use. Its large capacity, mobility, and energy efficiency make it an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality and eliminate excess moisture. Whether you are dealing with a damp basement or need to manage humidity in a larger living space, this dehumidifier provides effective and reliable results.